Hello viewers, welcome to Smarty channel. Today I have come up with another trick by using which you can do calculations quickly without using pen and paper. So let's start the session today. So in this session, I am going to teach you how to multiply even number and odd numbers by 55. Both even number odd numbers, how to multiply with 55, I am going to show it to you in this session. So for example, first I will show you how to multiply even numbers with 55. So first example I have taken it as 18. So in the first example, I have to multiply 18 with 55. So first step is you find half of 18. Half of 18 is 9. So half of 18 is 9. So put one 0 on the right side and put one 0 on the left side. Because 9 is a single digit number, whenever you will get a single digit number, you put a 0 on the left side. Now what you do is you add this 0 and 9. You add this 0 and 9. 0 plus 9 is 9. 0 plus 9 is 9. So this is the required answer. So 18 into 55 is equal to 990. 18 into 55 is equal to 990. It's as simple as this. Now let us take another example. 72 into 55. Find half of 72. Half of 72 is 36. I'll write 36 as 3 space 6. And on the right side you put a 0. Now what you do is you add these 3 and 6. You add these 3 and 6. 3 plus 6 is 9. Put that 9 in between 3 and 6. Put that 9 in between 3 and 6. So this is the required answer. So 72 into 55 is equal to 3960. It's as simple as this. Now let us take a 3-digit number. Now we have 164 into 55. Find half of 164. Half of 164 is 82. Find half, sorry, half of 164 is 82. Put 8 space 2 and 1 0. Now what you do is you add the digits 8 and 2. Now you add the digits 8 and 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. But 10 is a 2-digit number. You cannot take a 2-digit number. So out of 10, I'll take 0. I'll take 0 and I'll carry over 1 to the left number. So already on the left side of 0, I have 8. 8 plus 1 carryover will give you 9. 8 plus 1 carryover will give you 9. So this is the required answer. So 164 into 55 is equal to 9020. It's as simple as this. Now let us take another example. 136 into 55. Find half of 136. Half of 136 is 68. So put 6 space 8 and put 1 0 on the right side. So now what you do is to get the digit in the empty space between 6 and 8, you add the digits 6 and 8. 6 plus 8 is 14, but 14 is a 2-digit number. So out of 14, I'll take 4. I'll take 4 and I'll carry over 1 to the left number. So already on the left side of the digit 4, I have 6. 6 plus 1 carryover will give me 7. So this is the required answer. So 136 into 55. So 136 into 55 is equal to 7480. So this is how you multiply even numbers with 55. Now let us see how to multiply odd numbers with 55. So in this multiplication with odd numbers, you will have another one additional step. So there will be 2 steps in it. So let us see what are those 2 steps. The first step is on the left side you have the digit 19, which is a odd number. First what you do is put 5 in the units place of the answer. So whenever you are multiplying a odd number with 55, put 5 in the units place of the answer. Now what you do is you subtract 1 from 19. 19 minus 1 is 18. Find half of 18. Half of 18 is 99. Sorry, half of 18 is 9. So 19 into 55, when you multiply 19 into 55, the first step you will get is 95. Now what you'll do is, just a minute, now what you do is, now you put this 5 as it is. So from in the number 95, whatever 5 is there, you put that 5 as it is. Okay. Now you add 9 and 5. Now you add 9 and 5. 9 plus 5 is 14, but 14 is a 2-digit number. You cannot take a 2-digit number. So out of 14, I'll take 4 and I'll carry over 1 to the left number. So on the left side, I have 9. 9 plus 1 carry will give me 10. 9 plus 1 carry will give me 10. So this is the required answer. So this is the required answer. So 19 into 55 is equal to 1045. So once again I'll repeat the steps. First what you do is you subtract, you put 5 in the units place of the answer and subtract 1 from the given odd number and find half of that number and put it on the left side of the number. Then you keep adding the digits one after the other. It's as simple as that. Now let us see another example. 27 into 55. So first step is put 5 in the units place. Now what you do is subtract 1 from 27. 27 minus 1 is 26. Find half of 26. Half of 26 is 13. Okay, so this is the first step. Now what you do is, now in the units place of 135 you have 5. Put that 5 as it is. Put that 5 as it is. Now you add the digits 3 and 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. Put 8. Put 8. Now you add the digits 1 and 3. 1 plus 3 is 4. Put 4. Put 4. Now you put this one as it is. Now you put this one as it is. This is the required answer. This is the required answer. So 27 into 55 is equal to 1485. It's as simple as this. Now let us take another example. 123 into 55. 123 into 55. First step is, because 123 is the odd number, put 5 in the units place. Okay. Now what you do is, subtract 1 from 123. 123 minus 1 is 122. Find half of 122. Half of 122 is 61. Half of 122 is 61. Now you got 615. Now what you do is, now you got 615. Now what you do is, put this 5 as it is. Put this 5 as it is. Put this 5 as it is. Now add 1 and 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. Now you add 6 and 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. Okay, now you put this 6 as it is. So you put this 6 as it is. So this is the required answer. So this is the required answer. So 123 into 55 is equal to 6765. 123 into 55 is equal to 6765. It's as simple as this. Now let us take another number. 179 into 59. So because 179 is a odd number, put 5 in the units place. Okay, put 5 in the units place. Now subtract 1 from 179. 179 minus 1 is 178. Half of 178 is 89. Half of 178 is 89. So put 89 as it is. Okay. Now in the second step, what you have to do is, put this 5 as it is. Put this 5 as it is. Okay, put this 5 as it is. Now add 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 is 14, but 14 is a 2-digit number. You cannot take a 2-digit number. So out of 14, I will take 4 and I will carry over 1 to the left number. Now add 8 and 9. Now add 8 and 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 1 carry will give you 18. So out of, because 18 is a 2-digit number, out of 18, I will take 8 and I will carry over 1 to the left number. On the left side of 9, you have 8. 8 plus 1 carry will give you 9. So this is the required answer. So this is the required answer. So 179 into 55 is equal to 9845. It's as simple as this. Okay. So if you really like this session and if you want me to come up with more such sessions, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell button to like my channel. In future I will be coming with more such sessions. So don't forget to share this video to your friends. Thank you for patiently watching for watching this video. Have a nice day and all the best for your future. Thank you.